Good morning, first graders. We are going to continue to work on the middle sounds and listening for those middle sounds as well as changing the words. So by the end of this, we will continue to read words with short and long vowel sounds. Okay, our first word that we are going to practice on, we're going to change the middle sound. So let's change the A in cap to A. Cape. That's right. That is what our new word is going to be. So let's go ahead and get started with many more. That was just our practice one. Okay? Now, the A in cape to a. Cup. Nice job. The A in can to a. Cane. Okay? We're going to change the A in made to a. Mad. Nice job. Change the in run to a. Ran. Nice work. Next one is change the I in line to a sound. Lane. Good job. Next one, change a in rack to a. Rake. Next word, change the A in tape to a. Tap. Nice job with those middle sounds. We're going to go ahead and move on over to our high frequency, also known as our sight words. Our first word today is starts. Say it, starts. S-T-A-R-T-S, starts. We're going to use some of these in sentences. He starts his homework after a snack. What do you do when a new season starts? Remember, seasons are winter, spring, summer, and fall. All right, our next word is over. O-V-E-R, over. The plane flew over the ocean. He tripped over the stick and fell down. Do birds fly over our school? I bet many of you guys can answer that, especially at recess time. Okay, our next word is for. F-O-U-R. This is like the number 4. 4 boys played ball outside. What did you like about being 4 years old? Do you remember being 4 years old? Next word is into. I-N-T-O, into. Let's go into the movie theater now. I know that's kind of hard for some of us right now, or maybe you've never been to a movie theater. Would you like to go into a barn to feed the animals? I think a lot of us would. Into. Our next word is 5, like the number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5 children went to pick apples. Would you like to have only 5 students in our class? Why or why not? I would be very sad to only have 5 of you in my class. 3. This is the number 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Mr. and Mrs. Wellington have 3 sons. What are some fun things that you have done 3 times or more? Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch the waves. Would you rather play a game or watch other kids play? And our last word to practice, to. This is like the number 2. T-W-O, 2. 2 bears played in the snow. What things do you have 2 of in your house? What are some things that you have 2 of? All right, nice job with your sight words and your middle sounds. We're going to continue working on our middle vowel sounds. So in each of these words, I'm going to say a word and I want you to tell me what is the vowel sound that you hear. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. But the short vowel sounds make the A, E, I, and All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first word is bake. What vowel sound do you hear in bake? B, ache, a. Good job. All right. Stack. St, ack, ah. Nice job. Next word is mat. At. You hear the ah sound. Nice job. Date. D, ate. The a sound. Good job. Badge. B, a, j. What vowel sound do you hear? Ah. Nice job. Next word is page. P, a, j. What vowel sound do you hear? The a sound. Nice job. We are going to practice our new sound that we're going to work on during Blending Board today. Now, our sounds today have gotten considerably harder and they're very, very tricky. So it is important that you follow along so that you can continue to practice those sounds. Now, I want you to listen to the word mice. What sound do you hear at the end of mice? S, s, like seal. Yes, you're right. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually practice a new spelling of the s sound. S. It's going to be the C-E spelling that makes the s like seal. For example, we have mice, okay? Mice. This makes the s sound. But a word to practice for today, which you might also see on your blending board because we've been practicing also the long A sound, A like acorn. Let's practice the word like this. It makes the ol, a, lay, s. So I'm going to be pointing to two letters as we go through blending board. This makes the s sound. Can you say it with me? S like seal. Okay, good job. There's also going to be another one that we are going to work on, and that is going to be the j sound. J like jump. Okay, this one again is getting really, really hard. It's not just the J spelling. We are going to be working on the GE spelling that makes the j sound, and also the DGE spelling, which makes the j sound. I'm going to give you a couple of sample words that we continue to practice as we go, okay? Now, the first word is going to be, many of you might know what this is, but we will practice it together. This makes the k, a, k, j, cage, cage. When there's a GE spelling, it makes the j sound, okay? All right, here is going to be another one. That we are going to practice. Ready? D, a, da, j, dodge, dodge. You notice I use 3 fingers because there's 3 letters to make the one sound. So as we practice through blending board, try really, really hard to follow along. There's some really tricky words as we get through it today. So do your best. We will continue to work on these, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and get started on our blending board. Remember, today's lesson in blending board is going to be much harder, even though there is not a lot of words. We do have these new sounds that we're working on. All right, are you guys ready? Ol, a, lay, s, lace, lace. K, a, k, j, cage, cage. B, a, ba, j, badge, badge. S, p, a, spay, s, space, space. P, ul, a, play, s, place, place. Those are really, really tricky, so when we do those long A sounds and then we have the soft G or the soft C, those get a little bit tricky for us. All right, next line. P, a, pay, j, page, page. F, f, j, fudge, fudge. W, I, wish, wish, wish. J, j, gem, gem. S, se, ul, sell, sell. Nice job. Now I'm going to point to a few words and I'd like for you to read them out loud. These are much, much harder words because we've added a lot of different sounds, okay? Space, nice job. Gem, good job. Badge, nice work. One more. Lace, good job. All right, let's go ahead and read our sentence. Kate came to judge who wins the race. Again, Kate came to judge who wins the race. Nice job on Blending Board. All right, for dictation today, you're going to go ahead and get your piece of paper out that you've already started, as well as something to write with and your sound cards. So we are going to go ahead and get started, but remember, at any point in time, you are welcome to stop and pause so that you can catch up and be able to follow along still. Okay, so for our first word, we are going to practice is the word save. I like to save money. What's the word? Save. Stretch it. S-A-V. Save. S like seal. A like acorn. V like volcano. Save. All right. Save. Any questions? Yes, it is A consonant E. Go ahead and write it. Save. All right. Save. S-A-V-E. Save. Nice job. You can put a star or a smiley face right beside it. Next word is wake. I like to wake up early. What's the word? Wake. Ready? Stretch it. W-A-K. Wake. W like worm. A like acorn. K like kangaroo. Questions? It is A consonant E, so that means that you would only have the K spelling for wake. Go ahead and write it. All right, and we spell that one W-A-K-E, wake. Nice job. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this stuff aside, and you are going to set it aside for our next lesson so then we can write our sentence. Thank you for trying so hard today.